don't need a new haircut. You need a new face.
What?
The kind of face that looks sharp even when you're silent. The kind that makes people move different around you. That's not genetics, that's discipline. So here's how you build it. Step 1, fix your eyes. Not the color, not the shape, the energy. You've been frying your dopamine with endless scrolling and pixels. That's why your eyes look dead. Cut porn, cut useless videos, and stare at real life again. Get sunlight in your eyes every morning. Rinse your face with cold water 3 times, shock your nerves awake. Your eyes will start to carry focus, not fatigue.
Damn!
Step 2, frame and tension. A sharp face needs structure. Keep your mouth closed, tongue on the roof. Breathe through your nose, all the time. That's called mewing. Chew hard gum, mastic or phlegm for 10 minutes daily. Train your neck twice a week. Neck curls, side flexes, shrugs. Fix your posture, shoulders back, chin down, eyes forward. You'll literally start to reshape how your face sits on your frame. Step 3, skin and grooming. Your skin tells everyone how clean your life is. Sleep, water, real food. No sugar, no dairy, no late night junk. Wash your face twice a day, moisturize, sunscreen. Keep your hair and beard intentional, not random. You don't have to glow, you just have to look like a man who gives a damn. Step 4, hormones and habits. You can't fake testosterone. Lift heavy, compound movements only. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Get morning sunlight. Stop draining yourself, literally and mentally. Quit porn. Stop chasing. Start training. Your jawline tightens, your energy hardens, your face stops looking soft. That's real looksmaxxing. And finally, energy. You can have perfect symmetry and still look weak if your energy's empty. Confidence isn't a smile. It's quiet control. When you walk into a room, your face should say one thing. I'm not here to prove, I'm here to move.
Oh my God! Wow!
Every decision you make either builds or ruins that energy. So stop complaining about genetics. Sharpen your habits. Fix your sleep, your diet, your eyes, your posture. In 60 days, you won't just look better. People will feel it. That's a lethal face card. Not pretty, not perfect, just undeniable.